This video details operation for WL200 and 5 hours welders. Step 1. Connect torch cables to the power source as marked. Align terminals, control line and gas hose. Confirm secure connections, then switch on main power. Step 2. Face tube ends flat with a facing machine to ensure good weld quality. Step 3. Choose the right clamp by tube diameter and install it on the welding head. Step 4. Mount the tube onto the clamp with an alignment gauge. Step 5. Grind the tungsten electrode to a point and cut it to length. Step 6. Rotate the gearing on the welding torch. Adjust the gap between the tungsten electrode and the tube with an arc gap gauge. Reset the gear ring once the adjustment is finished. Step 7. Install the tube-loaded clamp onto the welding head and lock it tightly. Connect the air hose to the tube for gas shielding. Step 8. Enter torch model and tube diameter as prompted on screen. The system will auto-generate welding parameters. Click Start Welding to start a test weld. At last, you can see the tube will be welded perfectly.